everyone. This is Afreen Rahman.
And hi everyone, this is Manav here.
And together we bring the brand new series from Inset End, which is called The Product Today. Now, in Product Today series, we chat with all star product leaders from various tech and non tech backgrounds, right? Here we'll talk everything about breaking, into this product management industry and setting career goals to collaborating with diverse product leaders and knowing where to pivot. So, basically, all things product management. So, today in our episode one, we will discuss the biggest trends in product management in the year 2022. Now, whether AI will transform the field of product management in 2022, whether there's going to be a lot of focus on consumers in 2022 in terms of development of products, whether 2022 is going to be the year of product ops, all of that will be discussed in today's episode. And to discuss these questions and basically answer these burning questions, we have our in-house expert and our CEO, Mr. Manojendra Singh, as he just said hello to you all. Welcome Manav to our very first show.
Thank you, Afreen, and glad to be here on the very first episode. I hope that Product Today becomes a pioneer in helping not only people who want to get into product management, but people who are already product managers and want to see what's happening in the product world. So I hope that this show really does really well, and look forward to coming here in the show time and again.
A lot more often, yes. And we definitely, the aim of the show is definitely to help the ease to transfer, especially for people who want to transition to the field of product management, and also help fill in those gap areas for all the product managers who are already doing well in this field. So anyways, let's moving ahead with our topic. So Manav, as per the expert, 2020 is here, right? The year of data, as we call it, is absolutely on our doorsteps now. Tell us more about all the interesting trends that we can expect in the field of product management for this year.
Yeah. So, Afreen, since 2022 has just taken off and has just started, so there are three big trends that product managers or budding product managers need to be aware about. That is something that we need to closely watch. So the first big trend, I believe, is that product management are becoming more mainstream. As you would know, there are amazing product companies out there, no doubt. The Facebooks, Googles of the world, Instagrams of the world, Netflixes of the world, etc., which have been creating world-class products. But these are like a good number of companies, but still they would form only maybe 1% of businesses around the world, not even 1%. But what about the rest 99% of the businesses? So businesses across the spectrum are realizing, even if they are services businesses, or even if they are in an industry where you do not know product management as such, they are hiring for product managers. So even if you look at consulting companies like Accenture is hiring for product managers, and Accenture is largely a services based
Yes.
company, right? And similarly, if you go to different industries are looking for product managers, right from automobile to healthcare, to any field that you can think of. So product management as a field is going to become more and more mainstream, and the so-called product manager will become more and more omnipresent in different industries. So that's the first big trend I have for you for 2022. So, what's the second trend, Afreen, that you are excited about and you see becoming big in 2022?
All right. So I think once you're saying that product managers are going to be very prevalent in this year 2022, well, the business, I think they'll be mostly supporting or promoting. You would be the digital products. I think digital products will be key to business growth, right? It has been for the past year the year of lockdowns, right? The restrictions, social distancing, and it's pushed the customers more and more online. And what I believed till 2019 or even in 2020, the growth of digital commerce, it saw a dramatic, spike, since 2020 2020, and there has been a dramatic spike, and suddenly everybody has to rely on online sales for their survival, right? Even our groceries or products, anything that we are doing, food, for that matter of fact, we are on the realms of online businesses. So
Hmm.
basically, previously all the physical sectors like banking, healthcare, education, they have all now started experiencing a new digital dependency, right? So I feel 2022 is going to be the year which is definitely is going to be a play a very key element in developing or growing businesses across the globe. Even the fields that were not considered, could you imagine giving examinations from home and getting good grades,
Totally.
passing? Not
Totally.
at all, right? So but everybody is transforming. Even office works, right? Usually if we would not report to offices, the things would not progress, or we an absent would be marked here. But right now, thanks to technology, thanks to the digital products that we all have, we are sitting here right now and working from home, and I think our businesses are doing really, really well. So I think there's a climate of change that is coming, and 2022 is going to completely revolutionize digital products.
Yeah. So I think this is a very good phenomenon that you mentioned. And just to add to that, the third big trend that I see becoming bigger and bigger in this year is the specialization of this product manager role. Right. So
Mhm.
product manager is a umbrella term, but in under product management, there are so many different type of roles. For example, you have product analytics managers, you have product growth managers, you have product revenue managers who are taking care of conversion funnel optimization. You have data product managers, you have analytics product managers, you have product managers doing strategy, you have product manager doing technology. So product manager, so a lot of established product companies are free, they already have these specialization roles. But I see that companies which are adopting product manager management as a field, they will also continue hiring for specialist product managers, like growth product managers, for example, or ops as well.
Yeah,
Product ops is going to be a very big trend. So that hyper specialization or super specialization of product management as a role is going to accelerate in wake of what you just mentioned, that digital products becoming very important to our life. And I believe that because digital products are going to be very important, and because the first trend I mentioned, product management being not just limited to product companies but becoming more mainstream, I
extremely.
believe that this hyper special super specialization of product management is going to be even more important in 2022.
Absolutely. I believe that product specialists are the need of this at least particular year because of the all the revolution that is happening in the field of digital products. And like that you have mentioned, I think another trend that, if, at least I personally feel, is coming up is the rise of the product operations manager that you just mentioned, right?
Yeah.
So product management specialist role, one of the most critical roles I feel is going to be that of a product operations manager, which basically anyways aims at overseeing and enhancing how the entire product team works, from alignment to communication to processes, everything, right? So I feel that this will involve defining, creating, and running clear new processes for the entire new product team, while they research, select, and integrate the best tools and services, right? So I think this will be pivotal in maintaining and establishing a direct relationship between product teams and customers. So this is where product operations manager will definitely play a very, very crucial role.
Yeah, absolutely. Can we wind up the show with one bonus tip, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
One bonus trend that I feel. So there is clearly product management is a role wherein you have to collaborate with multiple stakeholders. And in wake of the third wave of COVID, what is going to be really important for product managers is ensuring that you are able to not only work effectively, but you are able to cross collaborate with different stakeholders. So what's going to become really important as we work remotely for from a product management point of view is a product managers continuously they will need to explore tools that will help a in getting their work done
Yes.
fast, b
Yeah.
in ensuring that the communication part is taken care of, b and c is that they are able to drive forward the importance of product in their own companies. So that communication is going to be very important, because when you are in a physical setting, it's very easy to talk to, let's say, the CEO or the VP of product, or for the VP of product to go to the CEO and talk about what we are doing. But in a virtual setting, sometimes, because product management or product manager's job is setting the vision, strategy, etc., but you that vision needs to be communicated as well. So
Mhm.
in wake of remote working taking a centerpiece of our working life, using collaboration tools, using videos, using on podcasts, using different mediums of communication is going to be very important for product managers to be able to, for example, let's say, collaborate internally, maybe start a internal product management podcast, right?
Mhm.
Maybe start a video series for your stakeholders, so that they get to know that what the company is exactly doing, rather than just depending on synchronous meetings to present what's happening in the product world. So that's a bonus trend that I see becoming very, very big in 2022. And as product managers, if you can adopt that and be at least aware about some of these trends, I think you will be on the right track.
I feel COVID in a way has been a boon for product managers, and it has really pushed their limits in the way they're thinking and they're innovating products in the coming year. Well, this has been nothing but a delight and a very, very insightful session, Manav. It was a pleasure to have you here in our very, very first episode. I'm sure our listeners and our viewers definitely have had a blast finding about the current trends that are coming. I'm sure they're going to be more. Let us know in the comment section below what are the new trends that you feel. Definitely subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the updates from Insights End whenever a new episode of Product Today comes. Well, Manav, thank you so much for joining us today. And like I said, it's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you, Afreen, and I hope today's trends episode is something that will definitely help our users and
I'm sure
learners.
it
Thank
will
you.
definitely connect with the audience. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye.